Right now, what I'm going to do is share the secret behind the app that pays. I'm going to share my screen real quick, and I hope that you guys are able to see it. Note takers are money makers, so make sure you have a pen and a notepad ready in case you want to take notes, or you can write down your questions on a piece of paper so that way you can remember it and ask me your questions later. All right, now I remember one of the things that really excited me about making money on my own time was making money from my laptop, making money from home. I remember a few years ago, that really was the it thing to me. Nowadays, you can literally make money from your phone. All right, so the game is changing, ladies and gentlemen. Over here, you're gonna learn how to profit from your phone. Now, the majority of you here responded to the ad that I put out there or post, because I posted this on my personal Instagram and my personal Facebook as well. A lot of you have engaged with this post, and that's the reason why you're here taking a look at this information, all right? So we have lots and lots of people contacting me. Currently right now, I have about over 1,700 people engaging with the post, wanting more information about the app that pays. Now, it's important that you guys eliminate all distractions as I go through this information. Quick background about myself, guys. My name is Nestor Vquez, better known as Nest. I was in the military at age 17. Was in the military for about 4 years, and then after that, I wanted to pursue my dreams, but I didn't know where to start. So I was working retail for 2 years, and there was something that was really upsetting about retail, and that was I really couldn't see how I could sell thousands of dollars worth of products and still only get paid about anywhere between $10 to $15 an hour, right? It just didn't really make sense to me. I had more of an entrepreneurial mindset before I even realized that, before my mentor even told me that I was meant to become an entrepreneur. And the reason why I do this is because I know there's a lot of people out there that get paid one way, but they spend their money 1,000 different ways. So everyone wants to learn a way how they can improve their cash flow, how they can add another stream of income. The average millionaire has about 7 streams of income, right? So I know there's people out there that want more out of life. Now, my responsibility is to share this with all of you that engage with my posts, okay? And to share it with the networks of those who invited you to see this information. I believe it is life-changing. Now, I'm going to share the information. At the end of the presentation, you're either going to say, yes, I want to make profits from my phone, or no, I'm fine doing what I'm already doing. Now, there's 4 ways to produce income, all right? For those of you that are entrepreneurial minded, maybe the majority of you already know who Robert Kiyosaki is, the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, where he introduced us to the cash flow quadrant. Now, we look over to the left-hand side over here. If you can follow my mouse over here, this is where 95% of the population lives, competing for only 5% of the wealth. We look over to the right side of the screen over here. This is where 95% of the wealth lives, yet only 5% of the population is there. So which side would you rather be on? The left side or the right side? This app alone is the best way that I've seen anyone transition from the left side of the quadrant to being an investor within their first week of unlocking full access to the app that pays. And ever since I chose the right side, I'm not a multi-gazillionaire, I'm not a multi-millionaire. However, I've been able to achieve financial freedom, so I've been able to do more things that I want to do, spend more quality time with family, all right? Travel more places, networking with people, okay? Making new friends, making new connections. And I tell you this not to impress you, but to impress upon you what can happen when you open your mind to something different, because that's what made all the difference for my life. Now, it's important for me to disclose that the app that pays is affiliated with the Forex market. What is Forex? Forex, okay, is short for the foreign exchange market. It's the largest financial market in the world. You could trade one currency for another, all right? It's a 24/5 market, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. And the cryptocurrency market, you know, the market that's affiliated with Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ripple, all the other cryptocurrencies, that's a 24/7 market. So 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, okay? It is a $5.3 trillion a day industry. So it's a very, very, very large market, all right? 5.3 trillion in transactions traded daily, all right? And you could trade on any device as long as you have access to Wi-Fi or reliable network. Here is the app that pays. This is the moment that everyone's been waiting for. The SwipeTrades app, where you can receive Forex signals right to your phone, okay? So with the SwipeTrades app, the way it works, and I'm going to make myself bigger over here. Just click this little button. You guys can't see the controls, but you can see me. So real quick, guys, I'm going to show you pretty much the basics of how this app works, okay? So the way it works is this, guys. When you unlock full access to the app, okay, you are able to receive signals. Now, it kind of works like Tinder. You swipe left to decline the trade, swipe right to accept the trade. When you swipe right to accept the trade, okay, now you are given information, all right? So you're gonna need 3 numbers: the entry price point, the stop loss price point, which is the safety net, and the take profit price point. What you do to simply copy and paste, okay, is simply this, guys. You simply go right over here, click on entry price, those little signs, those little mechanisms, all right? When you press that button, the information is automatically copied. And then what you do is you go on to the app that we use to execute the trades, okay? Paste the information, all right? So you receive trade alerts right on your smartphone utilizing the SwipeTrades app once you unlock full access to it. And if you could copy and paste, guys, you can make profit. So it's a copy paste profit model. Now, there's no trading experience needed, guys. Again, if you could copy and paste from one app to another, you can make money. You have the potential to make money. And this is a great way to add on to your primary income. Now, in the first week that I experienced utilizing the SwipeTrades app, that week, the company that created the app produced 500 pips using that app alone. So what does 500 pips mean exactly? Well, it's this, guys. If you produce 500 pips in the positive and you were trading with a $1 lot, guys, that's $5,000 you would have made that week. Now, do we win 100% of the time? No. Let's take a look at this over here. So 11 trades were called on the app, and there were 3 losses and the rest were all wins. Okay, so remember, investments require risk, and past performance do not guarantee future results. All right, it's pretty standard in the investing world. But guys, we know what we have access to. So we have expert traders, expert Forex traders that's analyzing the markets, handling all the hard work for us, and they simply communicating to us through the SwipeTrades app, guys. And that, my friends, is absolutely simple. And the company that's behind the SwipeTrades app is iMarketsLive. So what exactly is iMarketsLive? iMarketsLive is a first-class Forex education and software provider. Now, it was founded in July 4th, 2013 over here in the United States. July 4th is Independence Day. So we're all about helping people achieve financial freedom, all right, if they can make money in a Forex market, okay, and use that to supplement their primary source of income. Now, we operate in 100 plus countries, 100 plus countries. We are an international business. The majority of you over here have contacted me. You guys live outside the United States. We got a lot of people already in the United States, but there's a lot of people interested about this app outside of the United States. So you may be contacting me from South Africa. It could be the United Kingdom. It could be places in South America, Canada. All right. So we have people all around the world. This is an international business. It's debt-free and privately owned. We're not a public company. We don't have a board full of members that have no idea what Forex is about. We're a privately owned company. All our products and services is organic, so there are no third-party services. So how can you get started? How can you unlock full access to the SwipeTrades app? Well, it's fairly simple, guys. You must become a Platinum Plus member. All right, so iMarketsLive has 2 memberships. You are either a Platinum member or a Platinum Plus member. All right, so if you are a Platinum member, you'll have access to the bonus products such as the IMO Academy, iMarketsLive TV, Harmonic Scanner, Daily Swing Trades. But when you unlock the SwipeTrades app, because you now have a Platinum Plus membership, you'll get SwipeTrades and you also get access to our 2 auto traders on top of all the other bonus services that I introduced to you already. And that's not good enough, guys. This thing over here is going to drive you crazy, right? In a good way, in a good way. So we have an amazing customer acquisition bonus, guys. So when you refer 2 people that want to start making money from their phone, utilizing the SwipeTrades app to help them do that, okay? You'll have access to our mentors. You'll have access to the SwipeTrades app. You'll have access to our education, to the tools and the systems for free, complimentary, all right? So when you become a Platinum Plus member, all right, there is a monthly subscription. When you become a Platinum Plus member, and you refer 2 traders, okay, to unlock the SwipeTrades app, guys, you'll have access to the SwipeTrades app and all of this stuff for free, so long as those customer referrals maintain an active subscription. This is insanely powerful, guys, because I've been a part of programs where you needed a lot more than 2 in order for you to get a complimentary service, in order for you to earn your way to having a complimentary service, all right? So very, very powerful, guys, an amazing customer acquisition bonus, and I get excited talking about this all the time. So you know from just watching my ad alone, there are plenty of people that want more information about this. So just imagine, if it takes 2 to get you through to the next level, you could just imagine, right? So let me make myself small over here. All right, guys, and that's pretty much the bottom line. Let me stop sharing my screen over here. So that pretty much is what you need to do in order for you to unlock the SwipeTrades app. We have a lot of members on board that is absolutely winning with this thing. And my team, our team, is people in profit, all right? So when you get access, all right, to the Platinum Plus membership through iMarketsLive, you get to unlock all the services, including the SwipeTrades app. But more importantly, you have access to my team, the People in Profit family, all right? The People in Profit team. You'll get personal mentorship by me directly. So I'm excited for you. So for those of you that are excited and you want access to the SwipeTrades app, and all the perks that come along with it, get back to the person who invited you to see this video, all right? Or get back to me if I invited you directly. Send me a personal message, and then we'll be able to talk more about it and get you started with the app that pays. Guys, it's been my absolute honor and pleasure sharing this information with you. Stay blessed. Take care. I'll see you at the top, if not one of the beaches of the world.